Hey everyone, it's Akhila. Welcome back to my channel. I am traveling in Andhra Pradesh and today we have decided to visit Coringa Wildlife Sanctuary.
Never really know what's going on.
There is a mangrove forest here which is the third largest in India, covering 58,200 acres of land. This sanctuary is located in between Kakinada and Yanam. You can find the entrance of this place right on the National Highway 216. They charge you 20 rupees for one bike. Do you see a monkey there searching for food? You get to see so many monkeys here, so please be careful with your belongings. Near the entrance, there's a small snacks area.
Hi. Are yadava hi chapura.
Hi.
On your way to the main entrance, you also see this little play area and a small stall that sells soft toys. A little further ahead, you get to see these games as well.
Biryani 99, biryani 99, basmati biryani 99.
This place is open from 9 am to 5 pm and it is closed on Tuesdays. Apparently, you get to see all these animals and birds here. Now, this is the main entrance. Right beside there's this ticket counter. They are charging 50 rupees per head. Let's go collect our tickets. Here's a road map of this place. To your right, you see this little nature shop where you can buy a few natural products. Let's go inside and see what you find here. You can buy these wooden toys. They sell sharbat, some natural soaps and shampoos. Inside here, there's also a small nursery. It's called Prakriti. Inside this, you find a few caged birds and plants. Not sure about the birds, but these plants are for sale. Let's now start walking on what they call the boardwalk. Mangroves are basically a group of trees that live in the coastal zone. If you can see, they have a dense tangle of roots. These roots allow the trees to handle the daily rise of tides, which helps slow the movement of water. I'm simply loving this peaceful walk amidst nature. As you keep walking, you will come across this point, a cross junction which will lead you to the boating area. Be cautious about these signs, which mean you should not step on them. I'd like to advise you guys to carry odomus with you because there's so many mosquitoes here. And finally, after a really nice walk, you reach this point, which is quite serene. This is the backwaters of the Godavari River, which directly flows into the Bay of Bengal. For boating, they have two options, a regular boat and a speedboat. They charge you 100 rupees per head for the regular boat and 800 rupees for 4 people on a speedboat. Boating tickets are issued only up to 4:30. Keep this in mind, there is only cash payment here. We did try the speedboat in Rajahmundry on my last trip to Andhra Pradesh, and we also felt 800 was a little too much. So we opted for a regular boat.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
This is a fishing boat.
Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know.
What you see in the front is the seamount.
I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you
Now we are in Bay of Bengal.
I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
If you want to bring your camera, they charge you 500 rupees.
ఎందుకండి ఇట్లా రాసి ఖరాబ్ చేస్తారు? మారరా మీరు? ఇంకెప్పుడు రా మారేది? చి చి చి.
Here's a teeny tiny so called glass bridge.
3
They have less options you can choose from.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.
There's a small play area for the kids.
losing almost all my energy.
That's it for this video, you guys. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all in another one. Until then, bye bye.